Hey guys, it's Burter Studio. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a font. There's this cute meme that's on Twitter. It says, "Oh my God, it's the alphabet, but with cats." And each letter is some kind of different stylized cat, but it's still a letter, which is pretty cool. I thought it would be awesome to make a custom font. I made one earlier. I can show you. Oh my God, it's Burter, but with cats. I spelled out my name and just gave it a stroke. Showed the alphabet down here, got a cat here, and then my little birder guy. It's really fun. I thought it would be awesome to make a font that I can type with. So that's what we'll be doing in this video. Alright, so I'm going to be using Calligrapher. It's an online tool that you can use to upload a template and scan it and then make your own font. So what I've done is I downloaded their template with the minimal numbers, so it has basic symbols, numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters. So I'm going to try to use the pen tool in the Firefox browser to see if this works good. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and then the reference image is right here. I think I have that open in another tab. Let's see. I'll just move it to another screen. All right, there we go. We built our font. Um, we made revisions to it. It seemed like there was lossy translation from the Firefox PDF export went after we uploaded here, so we fixed those little errors. And yeah, some of the letters were out of bounds, so we made sure to erase and redraw those areas. So we called it cat alphabet, Burter butterbeans. Let's go ahead and build it. Nice. All right, so here are the two font files that we can download. Comparison to the normal size of other fonts. Not too bad. All right, there we go. So I will copy the link. Well, I'll probably do this later. I'm going to download the fonts and then show you guys how to install them. All right, here's the font. So there's two ways to install it. You can double click or you can right click and say install or install for all users. Let's double click because it'll give you a preview. That's so awesome. Yeah, that's the default text preview when you install a font. It always says the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. I love how readable it is too. I like that. Alright, so we'll say install, and now it's a local font on the computer. Although I don't know why I cut it off a little bit, but there it is. So we could open Photoshop in the web, and I do have a a Photoshop document I made earlier. That's the meme I showed you guys earlier. So instead of what I did was manually draw the each letter, but now that we have the font, we can install the font and then type it. This right here is just a brush. I have to manually draw it. So let's hide that. Let's create a new layer. Choose the text tool. Choose the font. Load a font. Navigate to our folder. My fonts. Cat alphabet. Click OK. We'll make the size. Let's see what 140 looks like. So Burter. Gotta change that. Click this hamburger menu, uncheck here. There's my cat alphabet font. It looks so awesome. Nice. Cool. Sweet. I made my first font. I'm so happy. Yeah, so we'll compare it to what the other one looks like. I think it had a white stroke on it. That's the font version versus the hand drawn. Both look pretty good. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a very fun project to work on. Um, Now you know how you can make your own font as well. You won't have all the characters, but you can upgrade the plan to get more characters on yours. But yeah, this website only had minimal ones, so that's the best I could do. I probably would want to make a Spanish one. Maybe I'll add these characters as well. Oh, there's 88 in here. The free version supports 75. Let's just see what these plans look like. 1 month is $8. I wish it was a lifetime fee. Just like one, you pay once for a full license. Yep, that was fun. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, turn on notifications so you get more content like this. I thought this was a pretty fun um, segue from the usual gaming content I make. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.
You know who it is.